Welcome back, everybody. You're welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter cookies. And the recipe will be down below, and also the video link to Sugar Spun Run. She's got a lot of good recipes. We'll try out her peanut butter cookies. What you're going to need is 10 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of peanut butter. You will need 2/3 cup of light brown sugar, firmly packed. I had to make me some brown sugar today. All you have to do is put some sugar in a mixer, or you could do this by hand probably, and add molasses to however dark you want it. I didn't go too dark today. And then I have it's called a brown sugar bear, and it's clay. You soak it in water, and then you put it in your container of sugar, brown sugar, and it's supposed to keep it from getting hard. Okay, then you'll need 1 room temperature egg, 1/4 a cup of regular sugar, and in here I have 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And also you'll need some additional sugar for rolling your cookies in. You'll need some vanilla. You'll need a half a teaspoon, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, she doesn't do this till later, but I'm just going to go ahead and mix my dry ingredients and have that sitting by. There's my flour, the cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Got my butter, room temperature butter. My brown sugar, granulated sugar, and the peanut butter. Now you want to mix this till it's well combined and creamy. Okay, that's creamed together. Now I'm going to add my egg and vanilla. And we're going to cream that together. Okay, now I'm going to gradually add the dry ingredients a little at a time, and then I'm going to scrape down the sides. You don't want to overmix the flour. Make sure you get it scraped down good. On her video, she has a lot of good tips about making cookies and cakes and all. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. She said you could even leave it overnight if you want. And then we'll be back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I've got a cookie sheet with the parchment paper on top. Now she said if the cookie is too sticky, I think it'll be okay. Or if it goes flat when it cooks, to put your dough back in the refrigerator for 30 minutes more. Okay, got my cookie scoop. Roll it around, and then roll it in some sugar. Put it on the pan. Finish these up and be back. Okay, now I'm going to take my fork, put it in the sugar. I'll make a crisscross shape. I have my oven heating to 350. And we're going to put them in for 9 to 12 minutes. You want just the edges turning a little bit golden brown. And then the middle should look like it's not quite done. It'll stay on the cookie sheet till they're sort of cooled. And then it finished cooking them on the pan. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven. We'll be back to try them out. Here they are out of the oven. They're brown, little golden brown around the edges. The center's not quite done yet. We'll let these sit here until they cool, and we'll give a taste test. Here is the brown sugar bear. It's been sitting in the water for a good while. And I'll just put that in my brown sugar, and it's supposed to keep it moist, or it does a good job. Sometimes I need to re-soak it. Okay, they've cooled. Doug, Daniel, give them a try.
All right. Delicious.
Very good.
It's supposed to be soft. Oh, good.
Very good.
Really good.
Keeper.
Definitely a keeper.
Definitely.
All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching From near and far, your support it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.